Stephanie Smith here with slsmithassociates.com, coming back to you today as we continue on our series about things that every SAP user should know to be successful. And if you were with us yesterday, we talked about knowing your master data, and knowing your master data is very important so that you know where to troubleshoot and where to pinpoint specific problem areas within your organization and be able to make the best decisions. And so today I want to talk to you about a new topic, something else that if you want to be successful using SAP as a user, something else that you must keep in mind or you must know. And that is, who are your super users? Who are the super users within your organization that you should go to if you have issues? Now, these super users, you might not know exactly what those are, but when I say super users, what I mean is these are your go-to people. These are the people who have some kind of history with the project. They have some kind of history with, maybe they were a part of the implementation and they continue to kind of take on that role, or a role within a similar project. But these are kind of your go-to people, the people that have the history, the people that understand how it should all work. And those people, keep in mind, may not necessarily be individuals within your IT organization. And so it's very important for you to understand who your super users are and where they exist within the organization. And you're going to need to know this not only for your area, but also for areas that touch the area that you work in. So for example, if you work in the MM area and you work in the purchasing area, you may need to know the finance super users. Perhaps a situation has come up where you're working on a process, or you need to set up a new process, and it might affect the financial area. So you need to maybe bring in a financial super user and really understand how it all is set up, or what you should do, get their buy-in, get their feedback, okay? So you need to know who the super users are for the entire system. So those for your SD module, your sales and distribution modules, those for your warehouse, those for the MM, the materials management, those for PP, your production planning, your production group. Potentially even those within your technical areas like basis, like security, like training. You're going to want to know who those people are, who those point people are. And these people function as a liaison between the business and IT most of the time. They're the people that understand what's going on in the business. They're the people that understand how it all was kind of originally put together, so that they can then translate back to the technical folks that sit in IT. Because those technical folks that sit in IT may not be in a position to understand how the business really functions. And so therefore you're going to lean on these super users to be able to do that translation for you, so that you don't have to do it yourself. Because as a user, remember, the most important thing as a user is that you don't have to know everything. You just have to know where your resources are. Okay? So I hope this was helpful. Know your master data, guys. Know who your super users are, so you know where to go to when you get stuck, when you have something new, and they will help you. And they will for sure help you. Sorry about that. Lots of people messaging me there. And they will help you. So again, if you haven't done it already, make sure on the like page that you've got your notifications turned on so you know when I go live. I'd love to get some engagement here and hear from you guys. Also, click that sign up button. You want to make sure that you are following your SAP circle, so that when I post, when others in the group post with a question, you can get that great content as well. Maybe you don't have a question, but understanding the answers to questions that are posting can be helpful to you. So mark your calendars again for tomorrow, 2 p.m. Eastern. I'll be back here to talk about another thing that SAP users should pay attention to in order to be successful. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care.